Anusha here with us. Thank you, Anusha. Members of the media, we will have some more photo ops as soon as the cast speaks. Everybody, once again a warm welcome. As you all know, we're launching the movie edition of
I'm very excited. You know, it feels like a big debut because I've done the book launch in this place only 5 years back, and of course a different story then, and this is the first event I brought
Chetan Bhagat unveiling yet again the movie edition of the book. 2 states, we have the cast, Alia Bhatt, Arjun Kapoor, and Chetan's wife, Anusha. Let's give them all a big hand, come on. We'd like the media here, the print media, to kindly settle down. The electronic media would like a couple of photographs, please. पीछे भी है, please. 2 minutes के अगर आप बैठ जाओगे, we still have a lot of photo ops left. Please, guys, just for 2 minutes, if we can give the electronic media a turn, please. Okay guys, please 2 minutes if you all can cooperate with us. 2 minutes के लिए please. Only for the electronic media, just. They'll zoom into it. All right, we now need to open the floor for questions. So those that have
लड़कियों में क्या खूबी होनी चाहिए?
लड़कियों में क्या खूबी होनी चाहिए? I'm just repeating the question because
प्लीज एक बार और बताएं.
मेरे लिए
नहीं हाँ for you नहीं you think like men
I think I can speak on behalf of myself. मैं अपने हिसाब से कहूँ तो for me it's important she lets me be who I am and how I am. If you can be completely yourself with someone, then it has to be something that you consider love. I guess in our profession it's very important to have a certain compatibility because हमारे profession बहुत demanding है. So from my perspective, whoever enters my life will have to understand that not everything is in my control all the time in terms of time frames. जो हमारा travel होता है वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह. Quite honestly, उससे ज़्यादा I don't have a prototype because जब आप type बनाते हो दिमाग में वो बदल जाता है. You can never have this imagination or thought process in your head कि ऐसी होनी चाहिए वैसी होनी चाहिए. अब मिल जाए अच्छी होगी है मिल जाएगी तो अच्छा है. But I would like to say she should have a personality. It's one thing to look a certain way, पर अगर आप बातचीत शुरू करो और पता लगे 3 मिनट बाद साइलेंस से शुरू हो जाए तो थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है. तो तालमेल अच्छा जब मैं पर्सनालिटी हो लड़की में एंड ऑब्वियसली शी शुड रिलेट टू माय सेंसिबिलिटीज एंड आई शुड रिलेट टू हर्स. बहुत ज़्यादा डीप आंसर है, कुछ फायदे का नहीं है.
आलिया आपसे
कोई सनसनीखेज नहीं बनने वाली इससे.
आलिया हमने कहीं पढ़ा कि अर्जुन को किताबें पढ़ना ज्यादा पसंद नहीं है, तो आप कितनी किताबी हैं, किताबें पढ़ती हैं?
किताबी हूँ.
Are you a voracious reader?
See I try to read as much as possible क्योंकि मम्मी डैडी हमेशा
She's recently learned how to read, so she's trying to read them.
What do you mean?
I know.
But like I can read one book at a time. I need to like concentrate. But so
Like most normal people who read one book at a time.
no, many people read 2-3 books at a
2-3
time.
books at a time.
मतलब meaning like they in between books are anyway. So my mom and dad would always encourage me to read because they read a lot. So I try to read as much, but not very much. But I like reading. It's really. On TikTok. Unwinding.
सामने आप
all right, thank you for your question, sir. Please.
I.
जैसा कि आपने कहा कि आपने अभी होगा कोई ढूंढा नहीं है, एडोरेबल लगते हैं और आप उनसे शादी नहीं करना चाहते.
You know what? मैं आपको एक राज की बात बताऊं. I expected only you to ask this question. I thought about it. मुझे पता था कि कल कॉफी आने वाला है, तो somebody's gonna ask this question. I knew you would ask it. So we have a connection. Anyway, so हाँ, मैंने कहा था.
अरे दूल्हा मिल गया, they have a connection. दूल्हा मिल गया. Finally. चलिए कैमरा मोड़िए, मिल गया दूल्हा, सब खींचिए उनकी फोटो.
आप तो मेरे से सीनियर है ना, पहले आप.
नहीं मैं आंसर करती हूँ. पहले तो आपको तो पता है, being in this industry, if I want to marry somebody, I will never say it on national television, and especially on Coffee with Karan. So it was all said just in jest. I'm a fan girl at the end of the day. When I say I want to marry Ranbir Kapoor, it's not that I literally want to marry him. It's just like a fan girl, you know, जो आप किसी को घर ले जाना चाहती हो मम्मी पापा से मिलवाने. लोग कहते हैं ना Scarlett Johansson बहुत beautiful है. Guys say that we want, but never will they get Scarlett Johansson in their life. So this was something like that. I said like a fan girl. It's not like I really want to marry Ranbir.
आपने कुछ कहा ना मुझे बीच में, आपने क्या कहा सर?
आप शादी की बात कर रहे थे, बट आप मेरे से ज्यादा सीनियर है ना, पहले आप कर लीजिए, उसके बाद फिर मैं.
अच्छा, मैंने सुना नहीं क्योंकि बहुत हंसी मजाक हो रहा था बीच में. मैं आपकी बात ज़हन में रखूंगा शादी करने के पहले.
आपकी बात फिर मैं.
Thank you, sir. Yes, please. There was another lady.
Hi, Chetan, this question is for you.
Just look at that, come on Arjun.
It came from a guy, not from a girl.
तो मैं लड़के से आया.
No, I know, that is getting into.
अर्जुन हाय हियर. बॉलीवुड में जो है ना साउथ इंडियन जोड़ी काफी फेमस है. Which is your favorite जोड़ी साउथ इंडियन? बॉलीवुड में पंजाबी जोड़ी है, साउथ इंडियन पंजाबी जोड़ी बहुत फेमस है. आपकी कौन सी फेवरेट जोड़ी है बॉलीवुड की?
Favorite जोड़ी of Bollywood?
या पंजाबी एंड साउथ इंडियन जोड़ी जो बॉलीवुड में काफी फेमस है, उनकी जो फेवरेट जोड़ी है बॉलीवुड.
ऑप्शन दीजिए, मतलब
मैं
Options.
नहीं, क्योंकि जोड़ियां when you like people आप थोड़ी ना
Like Vidya
भेदभाव
Balan
करते
and
हो.
her husband. There's a lot of people.
Yeah, UTV is part of this film. So Vidya Balan and Sid.
Oh yeah, they're a very nice जोड़ी.
Very nice, superb.
I want to ask, any of you can answer this question. You know, I've been reading a lot that there is amazing chemistry between Arjun and Alia, and it's more for my learning because I write stories. What creates chemistry according to you?
When you don't try and create it.
somebody say, well, I mean, what creates chemistry between the actors? Why do they say there is such good chemistry? What is it that, what do you make of it?
I think when you don't think about trying to create something and it happens organically, some films it comes through, some films it doesn't, as in that's what filmmaking is. But if you don't try and think about it or plan it or work towards कि यार chemistry दिखाते हैं या ऐसे करेंगे वैसे करेंगे, when there's a certain in our case we didn't know each other when we started
so I think
filming.
awkwardness really helps.
I think
we
that
didn't
really
know each
helps.
other.
So there's a nice uncertainty in being around your fellow actor at that point in time. And you can't think as anything else but as Ananya and Krish, I guess, to be honest to the material at that point.
Okay.
Alia, you've taken to Instagram to post some rather cute pictures of you and Arjun, but also Arjun, why do you look so disinterested in almost all those pictures?
It's just my face. If I don't smile, I look like I don't give a damn. So
But I also take it when he's like
Well, I'm in the middle of doing
something.
And if I'm doing an interview and she suddenly, I don't know if she's going to post it or not. She just took a picture. Who's the person who asked this question? Like, you're really hiding. It's unfortunate, and I can't repeat this enough. I have a droopy face. I have droopy eyes. And I have a deadpan expression most of the time. That does not mean I'm disinterested. It just means I might be doing something else. I don't like explaining that, but I guess now since you asked it, I'll answer it. I'm normally in the middle of doing an interview and she's taken a picture. So what am it's a bit off. I'm watching something on the laptop. I was in fact watching our trailer, the new trailer, Iski Uski, and she suddenly came and put her head and took a picture. I just looked up, and now it's there for the world to see. So it's not a planned thing. It's just I'm in the middle of something and she takes advantage of that and just took the picture.
Alright guys, we have time for one more question, after which we go on to the signing of the books. Yes, please. Can you pass on the mic to her, please?
Okay. Hello. Yeah, my question is for Arjun.
Yes.
Basically, this book showcases an intercaste marriage. So, like in future, if you have to deal with such a situation, how will you deal with it? And do you think your family will be supportive?
I think my family would be very supportive, primarily because they've allowed me to make my own decisions throughout my life. So I'm fortunate and blessed. But if there is any kind of conflict, if my family is concerned, it doesn't always have to be intercaste. You know, there are a lot of reasons why a family would be concerned about you choosing your partner. Sometimes it is the work that the other person does, the kind of lifestyle the other person leads. It could be a lot of factors. Hypothetically, I would also do what Krish and Ananya did. I would take that chance of explaining to them. I would not give up so easily, because when you love someone, then you have to fight the good and the bad. So you have to pull through. But I genuinely believe that my family wouldn't have such issues at all.
Alright, thank you very much everybody for your questions.
Yeah.
One last
Zoom.
Somebody who's not asked a question before, one last one,
Oh,
please.
sorry then.
Somebody
There's
wants
a-
to ask this question.
Ask us.
Go ahead.
Okay, it's not related to two states, but then
Chetan, sir,
today
the question is for you.
is the first day of elections in India, and Chetan, you've been tweeting about it a lot since morning. So this question is for all four of you. Are you guys going to go out and vote? Because considering many celebrities are
Of
not.
course.
Yeah, but then many celebrities are not going to be in India on the 24th of April in Bombay. So are you going?
I'm here.
Yeah, I know, but then your point of view on, if you could just give a message how important voting is.
Well, I mean, it's if you think your future is important, then voting is important, because that's what it is all about. So if you have a voter ID card, then go out and vote. You're supposed to do it. Otherwise, don't say that don't expect a democracy to work if you're not going to vote. So I think people are going to do that though. I don't think I need to lecture it anymore. Whoever can, will, and I'm turning 40 actually on 22nd. So I will be here. Yeah, I'm that old. Yeah.
Alia and Arjun.
So we've been going whenever there's media, we've been really encouraging the youth and people to just go vote. We've learned that there are 12 crore new young voters this year. So if even half of you do your bit, then it'll make a big difference. So please go vote. From whichever state you are, go vote and then come see two states.
Arjun?
But are you guys both of you all going to go and vote this time?
course.
I can't vote unfortunately, but yeah, Arjun is going to go vote.
She can't vote, so I'll go and vote for sure. I just want to take this opportunity to tell everybody that be a part of the change. We all have a right to complain and be concerned, but we always make a big deal. Ye nahi ho raha, wo nahi ho raha. But what do? At least we have this in our hand. So go out there and vote. It's the least you can do for your country, and I hope that it leads to a change. I think more and more people will come out this time and vote.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
आपको क्या लगता है इंडस्ट्री से काफी लोग जा रहे हैं बाहर वोट वाले दिन, तो एज अ सिटीजन क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप, उनकी क्या प्रायोरिटी?
Well, I can't speak for anybody else, but I'm nominated in IFA and I was going to go, but I'm not going. So, I'm not going for IFA.
All right, on that note, thank you very much for your questions. We're now going to proceed with the book signing, but before that, on behalf of...
That boy wanted to ask something.
Yeah, that boy.
Chetan sir.
Chetan.
Phone to Dharu.
Ask quickly, huh?
Do you think has the movie done justice to the book?
Do I think the movie has done justice to the book? Well, I have a panel of judges to decide that, and that panel consists of people like you, who are very smart, and on 18th April, you guys have to all go and decide that. So there's two kinds of voting this time. One is the Lok Sabha, and the other one is to decide, has the movie done justice to the book? I think it has, but ultimately it's you guys who will decide. But I wouldn't be here standing and sitting next to them if I didn't think that was the case. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I think you couldn't have summed it up in a better way. We're going to take quick photo ops, after which Chetan is going to be signing copies of the book for all those that need a copy. Alia and Arjun have to unfortunately leave. They have a prior appointment, but Chetan will be signing books. Thank you.
Arjun, please.